Hi everyone, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today I'll be drawing a cute dog. Please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. And let's start. Grab your marker and we're gonna start with our dog's head. So I'm gonna draw it right like in the middle of the paper and it's gonna look like this. Almost like a letter U. Now here I'm gonna add like an ear. I'm gonna bring the line to this side and add another ear here. That's good. Now let's add the eyes. So I'm gonna draw 2 circles. So that's 1. That's 2. I'm gonna color it black, but I'm just gonna leave a little bit of white there. Nice. Now let's draw the nose. So I'm adding like a pretty big oval. And again, I'm gonna color it black right away. You can add the mouth. And even show the tongue. Good. Now from here, let's add the body. So I'm gonna add like a big oval here. That's good. Now let's add paws. So we're gonna add 4. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see how we want it. Let me go here. 4. Now let's add the tail. Very cute. You can add some details here as well. And you can choose if you want a bone, a heart, or a circle. I think I'm gonna just do a circle here. That's good. Now when it's done, I'm going to put the marker aside and I'm going to pick 2 colors for my dog. And I want it to be like light brown and then a little bit darker. And I'm going to start with the dark one. I'm going to draw a circle around this eye and color it. Now I'm going to use the same brown for the ears. And for the tail, and I'm going to color the paws as well here. Now I'm going to grab like my light color and color the rest of the dog. Now you can use any color here for this area. I'm gonna use like a light blue, and here I think I'm gonna use like a nice yellow. I'm gonna color the tongue red. And my dog is done. Guys, guys, thank you so much for doing this project with me. I hope you enjoyed it. And please subscribe to our channel so we can do more artwork together. Thank you.